Get excited about the 2011 Toyota Sienna. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.